Hello, my name is Mitch Pierce. I'm the founder and CEO of SocialExtract. SocialExtract was built for the high volume, high capacity call center. What does that mean? Well, first thing, we are dealing in a world of millions of conversations that are occurring every minute. Millions. In those millions, there are some, or a few, that are worthy of a company addressing directly. A company taking a call center agent resource and matching that call center agent resource with that conversation. But how do you find those conversations? Those conversations are like finding a needle in a haystack. So the first thing we did with SocialExtract was we built a relevance engine, proprietary, patented, and it is somewhat unique. Companies use natural language processing and text analytics in ways that allow you to intelligently understand this unstructured data, but they do it on a collective basis. They do it on a 22.5% of the conversations are positive about this product or service or about my company. Well, we go deeper. Not only do we understand that, but we actually are able to pick out from that 22.5% those that are meaningful, even though they're positive for the company. Of those, which ones are truly human, and that's one thing the Relevance Engine does, is it determines, is this a human versus a spam bot versus some other form of automation. So we have the human understanding of the conversation, and then we determine what it is. Is it relevant to what we're trying to achieve? An agent who's getting the conversation as a result of the Relevance Engine can make a final decision. And that final decision is this truly relevant? Is this truly worthy of me engaging in? Now, we did use the agent's time to do that, but we capture that value. That agent is now training the Relevance Engine to get better and better and better. So that's very exciting for us because we're just constant refinement, constant improvement, through a very simple closed-loop process. At the second stage, though, once it is determined it's worthy, what do? Well, we go back to the traditional call center technologies that we've brought to the market over the last 15 years, and that's packaging. Packaging of a conversation means not only are we recommending what we should say, what the agent should say or type through what we've referred to as intelligent scripting, but we also apply other information that we determine from the Relevance Engine. Is this a question? Is this a very important high concern? Is this a possible retention issue that a customer might be threatening to do something like stop doing business? So the scripts themselves are very advanced and allow an agent to quickly engage, but engage in a unique way for each conversation. Another part of a script is the call to action. So I might want to use the front end, getting someone excited and interested. This is the best product you could possibly buy to support this requirement that you have, and recommend that you click here, one form of a call to action. We are finding response rates in excess of 25–30%. It's significant. Even in the new world of click-throughs, when Google and many of the others are using their ad engines, they consider it a huge win for a 3% click-through or response rate. And here we're getting 20–30%. And we believe it's because of this new form of communications and the way companies can take advantage of this human-to-human communication. Your investment in a platform, a company's investment in a platform, should sustain the predictable future. And in the predictable future, we see these conversations exploding. Today we have developed, and today we have a platform that is truly scalable. 40 years ago, if you didn't answer your phone and didn't handle a customer complaint, and your competitor did, your competitor was going to have a happier, better customer and therefore have better sales ultimately.